In this video, we show you how to set up an AutoPay in Triangle's LoanPay portal. Please note that you need a LoanPay account to schedule any auto payments. If you haven't set one up yet, check out our other video about how to set up your account. If you've already created your account, setting up AutoPay is a breeze. Log into your account to get started. You can set up an AutoPay right from the Accounts page. When you see all your accounts listed, you'll notice there's an option on the right to make a payment where it says Pay or Set up AutoPay. To get started, click the AutoPay button. It's then going to ask you to add your payment method. If there isn't an existing one, you'll have to add a new one. Select Add New and then click Continue. Next, you'll need to add a payment method. You can pay with an e-check tied to a savings or checking account or a debit card. To set up an e-check payment, fill in the account fields for the routing and account numbers, the bank name, and the name on the account. If you want to use a debit card, click the Debit tab at the top and enter your card information, like your name, number, CVV, and expiration date. Check the box at the bottom to authorize the payment, and if you want to set this as your default payment method, check that box as well and click Add. Next, you'll see that your new payment method has been added successfully. Review the information, and if it all looks good, click Continue. Next, you'll set up the AutoPay details. Select the frequency of your AutoPay, in this case, monthly. The due date is set as a default. Select the start date for the first payment to be made. Set an end date to your payments if you want your auto payments to only run for a certain amount of time. You can also leave it blank to let your payments continue for a more extended period of time. Next, input the payment amount that you want your AutoPay to be. It automatically fills in the payment type and the account number with the information from your account. When it looks good, check the box to authorize your AutoPay and then click Create AutoPay. You'll land on a confirmation page stating that your AutoPay has been created and scheduled. It will list all the information you've just set up. Congratulations, your AutoPay was successfully set up and ready to roll. Click Back to AutoPay to view your existing schedules and their information. Please note that this setup will not cancel any already existing automatic payment settings you have set up with the credit union. In order to cancel those, you'll need to contact the credit union for assistance. You can edit your auto payments at any time. It's easy to change your payment details, update a payment method, or even cancel an auto payment. Click the AutoPay tab on the left menu to edit or cancel an AutoPay. You will now see all your existing AutoPay schedules. Notice the Edit button situated to the right of the AutoPay schedule number and the payment details. If you want to change your payment method, update your card number, or expiration information, click the Edit button. If you want to edit your AutoPay details or cancel an AutoPay, click the Edit button next to the schedule number. This will bring up all the information about your existing AutoPay, including the frequency, start date, end date, and payment amount. Make any edits you like, then click Confirm. To cancel the AutoPay, scroll to the bottom, check the box to authorize your changes, and then click Remove Schedule. You'll be asked to confirm that you wish to remove the AutoPay schedule, and if you're ready to remove it, click Confirm. Once it's complete, you'll notice that scheduled AutoPay has been removed from your account.